Howdy y'all, my friend Jack recently got this 3rd gen Kindle for free, but there's a slight problem with the battery. This empty battery screen doesn't go away after charging it, so the battery in it is dead. He ordered another battery and asked me to fix it, so I'm gonna do that today. Apparently these ones are supposed to be very easy to fix, so I'm looking forward to it. There's a bunch of clips under here I just need to get to. Oh, I see. The kit came with a bunch of screwdrivers, so I didn't even need to use my own things. Well, he can have those. Well, he got a power light. That's good. Evidently, this Kindle used to belong to a David. We got stellar hits like The New Oxford American Dictionary, Bossy Pants, and 50 Shades of Grey, Book 1. Alright, now they got the battery back in there, time to put it back together. I mean, this should be easy. It should just be... You make noise? Didn't realize it made noise. Well, besides the ones I was doing when I was putting the clips in. But yeah, seems to be working well, so I'm looking forward to getting this back to Jack and disposing this battery properly. That'll be it for now. So long, y'all.